Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this video. And for those of you guys that are new here, my name is Terry and I document my journey to become funded with FTMO for 200k capital. And I took a loss today and I want to share that with you guys, and the mistake that I made, or maybe not the mistake that I made. Guys, stay tuned and I hope this video helps you out. All right, guys. So this is what the trade is looking like. I entered a sell on the 15-minute time frame, thinking about this. Our moving average is on top of our price, so we are definitely bearish. We have seen a lot of bearish momentum. This is a low. I was thinking if price comes back, this low is going to act like a resistance, right? And indeed, price went down, start coming back up. Price took us out before heading to the downside. I'll accept the loss, but this was a stronger level of resistance. If I had put my stops all the way here and maybe just go for like a 1-to-1, I wouldn't have been kicked out of this trade, right? The trade would have played out well, but it is what it is. We have accepted the loss and we are going to move on. Now market looks like it wants to reject from this support level to create like a double bottoms, but sometimes we have to allow the market to play out, right? Because it's a key level of resistance, market can bounce back and continue above. So we'll just be waiting for what the market tells us, for the market to show its hand. If the market wants to bounce back and continue above, no worries, we'll be taking buys after we see the structure shift on the 15-minute time frame also. If not, we are just waiting for the continuation back to the downside and we'll continue taking sells. Why? Because our higher time frame, like the daily time frame, shows us that we still have room to the downside, right, to target these lows here. So that is what we are doing, especially just bouncing above again. Just being rejected with this key resistance level, and our 50 moving average was right there. So this is a very solid trade to combine key resistance level on the higher time frame and the moving average. All right, so now we are waiting for that continuation, like I said, all the way to the downside. So looking forward for more sales position on the higher time frame, like the weekly time frame. We are still bearish, 50 moving average on top of price. We have a trend line here and we know that we'll continue back to this downside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope next week is going to be a good week, that I'm going to hit my TPs. All my TPs will be hit next week, and I'm praying for that, and I hope so. And I hope next week we can see better results. Big moves happen or small moves, no worries, but let's just capitalize on our risk to reward ratios, on our trades per day. And yeah, which I wish you also a good luck for next week. Today is currently Saturday. I'm looking forward to watch football. We have the Champions League finals today. PSG is playing Arsenal, and I can't wait to watch that game. Good luck to Arsenal. They just won their Premier League title, so hopefully everything goes good for them. PSG, hope for them, hope for them to continue their good style of playing. I love the way PSG plays, so it's going to be a very interesting and fun final to watch. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.